There's this magical force that lets you stream cat videos, doom scroll on social media, and Google life's strangest questions at 3 a.m. Yes, I'm talking about the internet, but have you ever wondered how this digital wizardry actually works? Let's break it down. Imagine this. The internet isn't a mystical cloud floating somewhere in the sky. Nope, that cloud is just a fancy name for a massive network of wires. Think of the world's most tangled spaghetti. These fiber optic cables lie under oceans, weave through cities, and run underground near your home. These cables connect servers, big, powerful computers that store all the goodies you access online. Imagine a server as a digital vending machine. Want a YouTube video or a meme? Perhaps that ancient Facebook post you cringe at? You make a request, and the server spits it back to you. But how does your request zoom across this massive network? Picture this. When you type, "Why do cats scream at 3 a.m." into Google on whatever device you're using, phone, laptop, or even that smart toaster, your request zooms to your router. Your router, the home-based Internet Air Traffic Controller, sends this inquiry to your ISP, your Internet Service Provider. Yup, the folks you pay for Wi-Fi. Shout out to Comcast. Your ISP then kicks the request out into the broader internet, zigzagging through networks, data centers, even crossing continents via those submarine cables. Yes, real-life cables under the ocean. It's like a worldwide relay race for cat trivia. Once your inquiry finds the right server, that server catapults the answer back in tiny digital packets. These packets travel various routes, much like rushing commuters dodging traffic, and are reunited at your device to form the full picture. In this case, your midnight screaming cat video. It's all so fast you'd miss it with just a blink. Here's where IP addresses come into play. Every device online needs one. It's like an address, so your data knows where to head home to. All this in mere seconds. The internet, a vast and rapid communication system mainly to binge memes and order takeout. No judgment here. Next time you open a web page or stream a movie, remember, it's not magic. It's wires, servers, packets, and endless machine teamwork. If only our routers shared the same dedication. So, smash that like button, subscribe for the geeky scoop, and consider plugging your router into something more substantial than hopes and dreams.